Next, moving to page number 53. Okay, Jack watched in wonder at all that was happening. So Jack was inside the kettle, as I have told you. So Jack was in wonder. Jack was surprised because he has never watched these kind of things in his home, right? They were very poor. He has never seen that gold coins. He has never seen the giant, that huge lady, that big castle. He has never seen all these things. So he was very much surprised over there. The giant then asked his wife to fetch his little hen, which laid golden eggs. So after that bag of coins, what the giant commanded his wife, the giant said his wife that go and fetch his little hen, to go and bring his little hen. Fetch means to bring. Little hen which laid golden eggs. So that hen was also very precious, as it laid golden eggs. Okay, the hen laid 20 golden eggs. Okay, after the giant had put the eggs into a basket, he called out, "Wife, bring me the golden layer." So hen, that day he laid 20 golden eggs, and what the giant did, the giant put all the eggs into the basket. Okay, then again he called out his wife, and he told her to bring him the golden lyre. So lyre means, as I have told you, it is a musical string instrument. You can see here in this picture, it is a musical string instrument. It has strings, and when the giant used to play the strings, the most beautiful songs can be heard with the help of this lyre. Very melodious songs. Okay, so the giant used to hear the melodious song, okay, with the help of this lyre, the golden lyre it is. Next, what happened? His wife brought the golden lyre and placed it on the table. So she brought that golden lyre. You can see here in the picture the lyre in her hands. So she brought that golden lyre and she placed it on the table. "Sing," said the giant. The giant commanded that lyre that start singing, and the lyre at once began to sing. So lyre, when the giant ordered the lyre to sing, it started singing the most beautiful song, the most melodious song that ever were heard. That nobody has heard these type of melodious songs, the soothing songs. It sang so sweetly that the giant soon fell fast asleep. So the songs were so melodious, so beautiful, so soothing to the ears that the giant soon he fell fast asleep. Okay. His wife brought the gold. Next, what happened? Seeing that giant was fast asleep, Jack crept quietly out of the kettle. So when the Jack inside that kettle, when he saw the giant was sleeping, he came out of that kettle very quietly. Okay, very quietly. He walked very quietly. He came out very quietly out of that kettle and tiptoed to the table. So he was on his toes. Okay, he was walking very silently, so that the giant, because the giant was sleeping, he did not want that giant wakes up. Okay, so he gathered the money bags. What he did, he gathered all the money bags and that little hen also, who laid golden eggs. Okay, he put them into the large bag. Then what he did, what Jack he take out the large bag, and then he put all these things in that large bag. What were the things? The golden that this hen, okay, the hen who laid golden eggs, and the money bags. Okay, he gathered all these things and put them in the large bag. And just as he lifted the golden lyre, the hen called out, "Master, master." And then when he is going to lift that golden lyre also, that musical instrument also, the hen called out. The hen speaks out, "Master, master." The giant woke up. So when he heard the call, the "Master, master," the giant woke up just in time to catch sight of Jack running out of the kitchen door with his money and hen. Okay, so then what happened? Just in time to catch sight of means to see someone or something. Jack running out of the kitchen door. So he saw that the Jack was running out of the kitchen door. So from the door of the kitchen, the Jack was trying to run with all those things. Okay, with his money and with the hen also. With a fearful roar, he screamed, "Fee, fee, fo, fum." So the giant becomes scared at what is happening in my castle. How this boy entered my castle? So he screamed. He shouted very loudly, "Fee, fee, fo, fum." So it was his dialogue mainly. "Fee, fee, fo, fum. I spy a country bum." Spy means see. So he shouted loudly, the giant shouted loudly, and he said that I saw a country bum. Okay, he is alive but will soon be dead. So he said that he is alive. Now he is alive, but I am going to kill him, and I am going to, when I grind his bones to make my bread. So he was saying that he is alive, but I will kill him and I will grind his bones and eat him up. He grabbed his club. Club means a heavy stick which is thick at one hand. So he picked that club and dashed after Jack. Dashed means ran fast. Okay. He began running after Jack, and who was already halfway down the beanstalk. So with the help of that beanstalk, he was coming down. So the giant began to climb down too. So after the giant also climbed that beanstalk, and he was also climbing down too. But as soon as the Jack saw him coming, he called out, "Mother, bring me an egg." So when he's about to reach his home, when Jack was about to reach his home, and he saw that the giant also, he is also coming after me, he called out his mother, and he told his mother to bring an eggs also. Okay, you can see eggs is a this one. Okay, and he told his mother to bring him an eggs so that he can chop that beanstalk with the help of that eggs. Okay, Jack had no sooner reached the ground. So Jack reached the ground. Okay, and then what he did when he chopped the beanstalk? So what he did, he cut that beanstalk. You can see in this picture with the help of that eggs. Okay, very sharp object it is, you can say. And then that was the end of him. So when down came the giant with a terrible crash, and that was the end of it. So when he chopped that beanstalk, the giant was there. Okay, giant was climbing down that beanstalk, and when he chopped it, the giant fall down with a terrible crash, with a horrible crash, and that was the end of him. And he died because of that terrible crash. With the bags of gold and little hen, Jack and his mother helped the entire village. Okay, so Jack was very good boy, and his mother also, she was very kind lady. With that bag of gold and that little hen, she helped the entire village. Though they were very poor, but they were very nice people, they were very kind people, and they helped the entire village with that money, and with that golden coins, and with that whatever they Jack brought from that castle. All the villagers blessed them and lived happily ever after. And all
So
the
children, I
villagers,
hope
they blessed
you
them
have enjoyed the
for
story.
that
So listen to
help,
this
and
video
they
twice
after that they
and try
lived
to do the
happily ever
comprehension
after. They
part of
lived
this
happily
lesson. Thank
and
you. Have a nice day ahead.